So guys, welcome to our channel once again. In today's video on our JAMB Chemistry exam revision series, we have here 10 questions to answer on the topic atomic structure and bonding. So guys, here in this video, we are specifically going to focus on the periodic table and periodicity of elements. So guys, in short, stay till the end of this video, as this will be very important in your preparation for your JAMB exam. So guys, if at any point you feel you want to answer any question, you can always pause the video and try out to see if you can get the answer to the question even before we provide the answer thereafter. So let's start with the first question here. The question says, the noble gases owe their inactivity to A. Octet configuration, B. Cyclic shape, C. Obtuse configuration, D. Hexagon shape. So guys, the answer to this question is option A, and that's octet configuration. The noble gases have an octet configuration, and that's the actual fact that makes them inactive because they complete their outermost shell, and that's the octet configuration. They have the complete 8 electrons in their outermost shell. So guys, let's consider the next question. That's question number 2. It says dash is said to exist between certain pairs of diagonally adjacent elements in the second and third periods of the periodic table. A vertical relationship, B, a diagonal relationship, C, a structural relationship, D, a horizontal relationship. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's a diagonal relationship. A diagonal relationship actually exists between certain pairs of diagonally adjacent elements in the periodic table, in the second and third groups of the periodic table. So guys, let's consider the next question, and that's question number 3. It says, which group in the periodic table do the alkali earth metals belong to? A, group 17, B, group 18, C, group 1, D, group 2. So guys, alkali earth metals are the group 2 elements, so they are the ones referred to as the alkali earth metals. So let's consider the next question. Question number 4. It says dash consists of the noble gases A, group 1, B, group 2, C, group 8, and D, group 6. So guys, the noble gases are the group 8 elements. So they are the rare gases. They are called the rare gases, or the noble gases, or the group 8 elements. They are those elements that have the octet configuration. And that's it for that question. So guys, let's consider the next question. Question number 5. It says, which of the letters indicates elements which exist as diatomic gases? So guys, we have options A and F, B, C and F, C, B and G, D, C and A. So guys, the answer to this question will be A and F. So guys, options A here is hydrogen, and the element F is a group 7 elements here. And guys, group 1 element here, hydrogen, which is A, and the group 7 element F here actually exists as diatomic gases. So that's the answer to this question, and that's option A. So let's go ahead and consider the next question. Question number 6. It says the noble gas argon is used for A, welding brass, B, electric arc welding, C, underwater welding, and D, steel welding. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's electric arc welding. Argon is used in electric arc welding because it is an inert gas that does not react with the metal being welded. So guys, this prevents oxidation and other chemical reactions that could weaken the weld. So that's it for that question. Let's consider the next question. Question number 7. It says, which of the following statements is correct about the periodic table? A, The non-metallic properties of the elements tend to decrease across each period. B. Elements in the same group have the same number of electron shells. C. The valence electron of the elements in the same period increase progressively across the period. And D. Elements in the same period have the same number of valence electrons. So guys, the answer to this question is option C. The valence electron of the elements in the same period increase progressively across the period. And that's the answer to this question, guys. Let's look at the next question, and that's question number 8. It says, which of the following metals in group 1 has the highest ionization energy? So we have options: A, lithium, which has atomic number of 3. We have rubidium, which has atomic number of 37. So C is cesium, which has an atomic number of 55, and D is sodium, which has an atomic number of 11. So guys, we need to understand that ionization energy generally increases from the left to the right of the periodic table, and then that's across the period, and then it decreases from the top to the down the group and increases across the period. So having known that, guys, the elements that will have the highest ionization energy here is lithium. So if you're wondering, the ionization energy is the energy that is required to remove an electron from an atom. So guys, the fact that lithium has an atomic number of 3 should let you know that the electrons are actually closer to the nucleus, and as such it will require more energy to remove an electron from these elements than the energy that will be required to remove electrons from other elements that are downward in this same group. So guys, that's it for that question. So let's consider the next question. That's question number 9. It says, which group does calcium belong to in the periodic table? We have A, halogens, B, alkaline earth metals, C, alkali metals, and D, noble gases. So guys, the answer to this question is option B, and that's the alkaline earth metals. The calcium is a group 2 metal, and group 2 metals are the alkaline earth metals. So let's consider the next and the last question, guys. Question number 10. It says, group 7 elements are A, good oxidizing agents, B, highly electropositive, C, monoatomic, and D, electron donors. So guys, the answer to this question is option A. They are good oxidizing agents. So oxidation is actually electron loss, and reduction is electron gain. So in oxidation, an element loses electron. So group 7 elements will always cause other elements to lose electron. So guys, that's all for this video. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you're not yet a subscriber. Also, if you have any specific question regarding this video, you can drop your question on the comment section below, and we'll be sure to give you a response. So guys, we also encourage you to join our YouTube channel membership in order to be getting premium updates on JAMB, premium information on JAMB updates. So guys, this will help you a lot in your preparation for your JAMB exams. So thank you for watching this video, and see you next time.